start, are you ready? Okay. When I start my cleaning, my glass, it's open about 1.5 inches, 2 inches, because I want to have full access to the glass, and I'll start going right into the channel here. Now, as I said before, you can use this, or you can use a white scrubby or a blue scrubby, okay? I want to go over the glass completely, and you notice that I'm going down with it. I'm scraping it. I like to scrape because my blade will tell me if there are any nicks, scratches, anything like that, my blade will let me know. Now I'm going to put the glass up so I can have access to the bottom. Whenever you hear something weird going on with the blade, stop immediately and check. You don't want to pick up a stone with the blade and run on the glass because you're going to scratch the glass. Now there is a label there. I want to make sure I get rid of the label. I do not use my cleaning blade to move labels because I want my cleaning blade to be very sharp. So I use a different blade to do that. Now that I got rid of that label and my glass is all scraped, now it's time for me to clean it. So I'm gonna, in this process, I'm gonna rinse it. I know that I brought all the crap down into the channel and to the side of the channels. So I'm gonna rinse it. I'm gonna squeeze all the crap off. And I wanna make sure I don't go back. I go just in one direction and bring everything and leave there. Now by doing this, I am cleaning the glass, all access that I have, and now I'm gonna rinse the channels, the bottom channel, and the other side channel too. Now that could be enough, but I wanna go one step further just to make sure. I go inside the channel down, I blast it again, and now I put the glass down just about where I was before, as much as I can, because I need to have that edge exposed for me to put the film. I know where I stopped with my towel. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna turn my towel, I'm gonna go from that point up, just to make sure it's clean, and you see that it wasn't, even though it's been clean. Now I'm gonna clean the edge of the glass. Can you see why? Okay. I'm gonna clean the top of this molding just to make sure my film doesn't touch anything dirty. And now I'm gonna squeeze it again. And when I'm squeezing, if you notice, my squeeze is going to be on the glass, about 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch. And now I'm gonna bring things here, and I don't need to go all the way down, okay? Now I'll blast it again, and I'll mist it, and it's ready for installation. Okay, that's the cleaning process. Okay?